Pantok Elementary School.
Fellow graduate, please stand. Raise your right hand and follow after me. We, the graduates of Pantok Elementary School, School Year 2023-2024, with the aid of the Divine Providence, do hereby pledge to uphold the highest ideals of service, that I will be true, loyal, and of service to my alma mater, and to live in a manner worthy of ourselves, our fellow men, and to our country. So help me God.
Once again, congratulations, graduates. May I call